The agreement was tomorrow.
Femi, is that what you're going to say to me?
We have Martin Adeun now, babe.
If I don't want to keep telling I don't want to see me at your keep lele.
I don't want to see. Oh, so my delay, or Lali Yakoti. To buy po Dilolani, Ujo ni reg me to
Femi, the agreement. See me at your Johnny ni mo bie. Show no share. Just to satisfy you, I displeased myself.
You did not, because I told you right from time, this is what gives me ginger, it gives me vibes, and you agreed to it. I just shared the last time.
Yes, because also pay, oh mama, she know to me. How come you're doing this? I am not aware of what you're doing.
That's because you're not around. See, my worry, the next week I plan doing another one.
Femi, what are you even talking about? Can you hear yourself?
Yell at me, stop it.
Don't tell me not to yell at you. I displeased myself just to please you. Why would you even have the heart to do this to me? You told me, you literally told me that you are going to be doing this with me, not behind me.
Fine. I have an intention of doing it again next week. I will include you.
Femi, all I've ever done is to satisfy you. All I've ever done is to make you happy, is to love and care for you.
I did it with a familiar girl. Both of them were not neutral. Eyokolu were neutral now. And that should make you know that I respect you a lot.
Can you even hear
nowhere
yourself?
To be found. I was honey.
Can you hear yourself?
That's the gist. I was honey. I
missed
you.
I only did it because I care. I love you and I don't want to lose you. And I just wanted to protect my image.
So right now you want to put the blame on Mira. For doing what makes me happy.
Oh, look, condom. You were doing it raw with them.
Fuck it. Man, antibiotics, man, worry. You'll be safe.
Can you even say? Just listen to yourself.
What else do you want me to say now?
It doesn't even make any sense.
See, babe, stop being overly dramatic about this, okay?
I'm being dramatic. Femi, I want you to remember that this is my house.
That's it. No, that's it. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. I've been waiting for that. Okay, would you understand, Rant and say, Dorothy gently, you lock down hotel, let's go on my or one complaint. Good. I'll leave. Money let him on bitterly. Yeah, big you. I was cool. I was cool.
That's not what I'm saying.
No, that was what you meant.
That's not what I'm saying. No,
it's alright.
Sorry, I don't mean it.
I'm leaving. I will leave your house with you.
I'm sorry.
Samile.
I'm sorry.
I must be there. Atata.
Àwọn ló jẹ́ kí ẹ wà lórí wheelchair tí ẹ wà lẹ́nu. Atata tẹ́ ṣe ní wọ́n. Madam, ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ believe pé pẹ̀lú kan tí Daddy sọ sílẹ̀ yìí, Atata tọ́ sí yín láti jẹ.
Atata ló ní. Ìwọ farabalẹ̀ tó o bá gbọ́ ìtàn ìdè ìparí wàá mọ̀ yìí pé Atata ni mí.
Thank you very much for your time.
Mẹ́ta la fi ń ṣe gbádùn ayé. Ọ̀kan lówó, ọ̀kan lọ́mọ, ọ̀kan àfíà.